Alright, let's cut through the noise. If you're thinking about getting into data analytics, you've probably seen a billion YouTube tutorials, maybe even started a few, and then lost steam halfway. Don't worry, I've been there too. The secret? It isn't about watching more videos. It's all about following one solid roadmap, sticking to it, and actually finishing real projects. So how do you go from zero to hero and land that first analytics job? Let's break it down. Step 1. Get clear on the basics. You don't need a PhD in math. Start with understanding data types, basic math, and why businesses care about data. Resources? I recommend free courses from Coursera or Khan Academy. Just one, not 10 at once. Finish it. Celebrate. Move on. Step 2. Learn the tools, but only the essentials. Excel, SQL, and a bit of Python or R. Don't try to master everything overnight. Pick one tool, like Excel, and do a mini project. Analyze your own expenses or track something fun, like your streaming habits. Projects make the knowledge stick, trust me. Step 3. Visualization. Data is boring if you can't show what it means. Learn the basics of Tableau or Power BI. Find a data set online, maybe about your favorite sports team or movies, and create a dashboard. Post it on LinkedIn. This is your digital portfolio. Step 4. Build in public. Don't wait until you're good enough. Share your progress, your projects, and even your mistakes on social media. Recruiters love to see growth and initiative. Step 5. The job search. Tailor your resume to match real job descriptions. Highlight your completed projects, even if they're personal ones. And don't just apply to jobs. Reach out to people, ask for informational interviews, and get your name out there. The biggest myth? That you need to be an expert to get started. You don't. You just need momentum, a clear roadmap, and the courage to finish what you start. So, ditch the endless playlist of random tutorials. Pick one course, commit, and make something real. Soon enough, you'll be the person people come to for help with their data. Ready to go from zero to hero? The only thing left is to take that first step. And hey, you've got this.